you guys, look it. I got a new look. I got a new haircut. Are you guys liking this look? I'm like kind of very into it. Now, remember, if you guys are shopping on Morphe.com or in store, you say my name, type it in, Kimora, you will get money off your entire purchase. So yeah, bitch, Morphe, shout out to you guys, and I love you guys. In the house today, we do have Colourpop Cosmetics, and then I have a little surprise. A little neon drip moment from Poppi Cosmetics. Now this is gonna be a great video because this is their first product of the brand, you guys. This is the first product my girl Nikki's launched, and congratulations to her. If you guys are ready to get this look, keep watching. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am breaking out crazy. I go through my phases. Maybe my body is like freaking out that I'm eating healthy. Oh my god. Okay, so today, you guys, it's a good day because we're gonna go ahead and play with two new things. I always get excited, but I'm actually a little nervous because I've never played with them before. I'm just literally priming. So this is, if you guys are wondering what I've been using, this is the Control Primer. I've been using this religiously, as you guys can tell. It's literally more than halfway down. Usually when I try something new, it's like a new product of a brand that I love, because sometimes you don't really know if you're gonna love it. In the office today, you guys, we have, this is the Full Beat Beauty Sponge Kit from Colourpop. I absolutely love Colourpop. These are 5 new sponges in a complete set. I'm actually very, very interested because they all do different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over what they do, and then also we're gonna be jumping into the new Poppi Cosmetics. This is the Neon Dripped palette. If you guys haven't heard about this yet, please jump over to Poppi Cosmetics on Instagram and check them out. Let me just go ahead and get this underbrow highlight on. Have you guys been using my code at Morphe? I'm so excited to be a part of the Morphe family. So I hope that you guys have been using the code and saving money, because I know I will. I just like really want to hurry up and get this foundation on this skin, because look at all of this. I have no idea. Maybe my body is like pushing all the oils out. This is just out of control. But anyways, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and read to you guys here from the yellow to the blue, okay? So yellow to the blue. So it comes in a case like this called the Full Beat, and it comes with 5 different sponges. So the first one, you guys, we have the Velvet. I wanna say it feels almost like a Tempur-Pedic mattress. Like, it feels super soft. It does not feel like a sponge. Like, if you guys literally close my eyes and I fucking put my hand through a hole just to grab something, this, I wouldn't have thought of sponge. And this is called the Velvet, which is the blending sponge. It's reusable microfiber sponge with a unique flocked velvet texture that creates a flawless airbrush look. All right, bitch, I'm sold on that. Okay, so the next sponge we have here is, oh wow, this feels very different. I feel like this sponge has like a grip feel. Like there's a, like you won't drop it. Like it's very, almost not sticky, but almost like, I wanna say, I guess sticky is the word. So this is the Detail Sponge. The Detail Sponge is a reusable blending sponge with a precision tip that effortlessly blends makeup under the eyes and fits in every contour of the face. So it says it fits in every single contour, which I'm like, okay, that works. This one is called the Hourglass. So this one, oh my god, that's so fucking crazy how they all feel so different. This entire time I thought sponges all kind of feel the same. This one feels stickier than the Detailed Sponge. Like the grip is super, like I guess more intense. The Hourglass blending sponge is a reusable blending sponge with an hourglass shape that fits comfortably in your hand and I can't even say effortlessly blends product all over. So I feel like this is a combination of the Velvet and the Detail Sponge. So this one actually feels just like the Hourglass. It's almost grippy. I like the shape is a little different. So you can see here the shape cuts right here. So you can really, I feel like I would use it to really press in product. The reusable blending sponge that effortlessly blends makeup into the skin for flawless application. Okay, so this is complexion sponge. I don't know the difference between this and an Hourglass. Last but not least, we have the silicone blending sponge. This is a reusable blending sponge with a unique silicone core that minimizes product absorption and is perfect to use with full coverage foundation. Oh wow. Okay, I do like that. Okay, so I'm not gonna try all these fucking sponges because obviously I'm an amazing blender and I can blend with a fucking fork. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick the shapes that really intrigue me. I personally love a wet sponge. I don't like it dry. I don't even know how people use it dry. I think it just takes forever. So if you guys give me 1 second, I'm gonna go ahead and wet these sponges right now. You guys, they got so big. Okay, let me just show you guys. I'm gonna pick this one because it has like the cut side. And then this is the complexion sponge. Look how big it is. It's just big. So, wow, that's fucking cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a Mayron pan stick just to kind of cover up my acne. I usually like to do a little bit of Mayron around my chin area. I know a lot of people do a lot of color correction. I don't really do color correction. What I usually do now is I go in with a concealer and I really just kind of add a little more coverage. As you guys can see here, I have 2 different foundations on. I really want to use this one. Okay, so this is the first one. This was the velvet one, which was like, I feel like it feels the weirdest. Oh, fucking wow. Oh, wow, that is... I'm actually God. Do we not see that? Wow, that's actually really pretty. It feels a little harder than the Beauty Blender. Like, the Beauty Blender, I can feel like the sponge is kind of more wet. But this one, as you guys can see, it got big. So I think it absorbed the water that it needed. Let's go ahead and try this one. This one, I feel, okay, so I squeezed all these sponges the same. So I got all the water out. Let's go ahead and blend this side and just kind of, oh, wow. I can already tell the difference. I don't really like this sponge. Like, I squeezed water out, but it still feels wet. Let's go and pull out the silicone sponge and let's just see what this does. This one also feels wet too, which I feel like I'm putting water on my face. I'm not liking that at all. So let's go ahead and pull out the velvet again and just make sure my face is super even because I'm not trying to look a hot mess. I definitely can tell the difference. So the 2 sponges that I use, the silicone and detailed sponge, definitely takes in a lot of water. And what you don't want to do with foundation and water is that could definitely break up the foundation and just look really weird. So I'm just gonna go ahead and complete my face with the velvet sponge, which is the first one that I like. Okay, so we finally completed my face. The silicone and detailed sponge definitely soaks up a lot of water. Like, as I'm holding it in my hand, I can feel water still. And I'm gonna squeeze it. Look at that, it takes in so much water, and this one doesn't. That's crazy. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and see how the concealer lays. I'm gonna take this side right here and I'm just gonna press it, which I think it should work great. Yeah, it does. Okay, cool. The way this blender is shaped, it's super flat and I can definitely see like the product literally blending into the skin. I'm actually gagged. Okay, so we have that on. Now let's go ahead and contour the nose. We're gonna pull out a little brush. I'm gonna stick with my Glow pan stick. I love Glow Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna take a little bit and just draw it down the nose. This is usually like my technique to really give a pinch nose if anyone hasn't seen me do my nose yet. So I'm gonna keep a beauty blender on my nose because it's a little pointier. And taking a little bit of concealer, let's go ahead and pinch that nose. Taking the beauty blender. We are done doing all the blending, so let's go ahead and set that makeup. I don't think it's healthy to like breathe this in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything, you guys. What I usually do is now I'm just layering and layering some literally translucent powder and taking a little bit of Jeffree Star loose powder in Topaz and just really giving me that nice highlight. So we're gonna go ahead and just bronze lightly. I'm so excited to get into color because I've been feeding to do colored eyes. All right, so we are fully bronzed. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut that cheek, like a little bake moment right there. If you guys don't do this, it's okay. So we are fully snatched. Okay, so this is usually how I started my videos. So you guys, introducing to you guys right now, this is the first product ever launched from this cosmetic brand. And this is Poppi Cosmetics, the Neon Dripped Palette. I did peek at this a little bit but I haven't swatched it. It does come with 12 full colors. So obviously this has been not really opened yet. I did peek. Pulling it out here, you guys. I love when a palette comes with bubble wrap because it does show that the brand does care about a protected palette when it does arrive to your house. This is Neon Drip. It's so cute. So obviously I love it already because it matches the packaging. Shout out to Nikki for sending me this. I'm so excited. I can't wait to play with it, and congratulations on your first launch of the brand. I'm so excited to see what else you come up with. Pulling it up right now. Yes. Now there is a slip. Girl, Nikki, you're letting me have it right now. I'm already obsessed because if I don't have the slip, for some reason I just feel like it's a used product. Literally, this is like my vibes. This is giving me like Miami eyeshadow vibes. I'm gonna just go ahead and swatch it as we just speak. Let's just go ahead and get into the gag. Girl, look at that. Super shimmery, super neon. I'm ready to go. I'm pulling out my Jeffree Star 3 brushes. I'm using some universal sizes here, and let's get this going. So I'm gonna just fucking dip in the colors. Like, I feel like that's what I'm gonna do. So some of the names in here, you guys, are, I mean, this is some of the names I would actually name some shadows in my palette. This is Slimy, Kiki, Wet, Clout, Side Chick, Poppin', Slippery, Baddie, Freaky. So yeah, Nikki, I think we should hang out because I feel like we speak the same language. Because I use the word cloud, I am a side chick, I am definitely always lit, I'm a baddie. We're gonna jump into the yellow first. I'm very curious on the yellow. So I'm gonna start with yellow in the inner corner. Oh wow, I'm actually very gagged. That's actually yellow. You guys, okay, so the yellow is called Kiki, and I'm just really getting this in the inner corner because I really want like a super blown out, perfect rainbow eye. Wow, that's like really yellow. I'm actually kind of gagging right now. I'm like, okay, so pigment is there. So let's go ahead and just blend. Ooh, look at that. I'm blending that orange into that perfect yellow. And usually at this part, you guys, the way my bone structure is, I love to kind of just really blend it into the brow. Okay, so I'm just taking that same color. So whatever I'm doing on the top, I'm doing it on the bottom. All right, so you guys, now we have 2 different colors on. Let's go ahead and jump into the green. And this green is called Slimy, okay? So Slimy is definitely a color of a dress that I would always wear. I love lime green. So just taking that and just really blending that on the outside. Also taking Slimy, that same green color, and guess what? On the bottom, okay? Wow, that's so fucking gorge. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into the purple. So let's go into this color purple. Oh shit. That's hella oh my god, okay. Okay, I was not expecting that. Wow, the pigment on the purple versus the green, it was like, whoa, okay. That was serious. Okay, so taking that same purple, thank god I didn't really mess up, and I just really blend up. That was kind of very intense. And I'm gonna dip into the color called Cloud, which is a super pretty hot pink. Let's just be careful with that. Ooh. It's pretty. I can't wait to start cutting this crease. Wow, that pink and purple together is fucking beautiful. Like, I kind of want to do an eye with just those colors. So far, so good, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's cut this fucking crease. Pulling out P.LOUISE, obviously. You guys know me very well. This is my favorite product in, like, literally the world. Now just pull it out. And I wanted you guys to do it in a way where it just kind of looks like a very floating, pretty crease moment. And for something like this, you guys, I would really recommend just completing one eye first. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. See how that just made like a difference? I really do love this color combination. Like at first I was a little scared, a little skeptical about the shades and how it works all together, but somehow, like this is an eye I would definitely wear when I want to have like a fun day. I'm like gagged. I'm super gagged. Wow, Nikki, you fucking killed it. So, we have the full lid on, and then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do some really cool liner work. I'm gonna actually outline this perfect white crease cutting moment with black liner, but a very thin liner. But before we do that, we really need to pack on white eyeshadow. So for this part, I would really recommend like a vanilla color. In this case, I don't have one in here. So usually the lightest color will be at that upper left corner. Pulling out my favorite white color. This is Taco from Sugar Pill. And I'm just gonna take this color and just really pack it on. Wow, that's pretty. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing on this side. I used to use this white shadow every single day of my life when I just got off the show. That was when I was a fucking drag queen, now I'm a woman. Now I'm gonna pull out a Morphe ink liner. So this is the part where we will all like literally hold our breath and just kind of hope for the best. And right now what I'm doing, you guys, I'm just really sketching it out lightly, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm really going to like intense and perfect that liner. So far I lined it like that, right? And you guys want to make sure like your liner is super not drying out. So now we have something like that. I want you to bring that liner in. So we have like a perfect little cat eye. That's gonna look really good with the lashes. Same thing on the other side. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. Now I'm just gonna take that liner and I'm just gonna perfect that outer liner. All right, and now we have something cool like that. All right, you guys, so now what we're gonna do, let's wipe off all the translucent powder. So let's go ahead and get some shimmer because I'm sick and tired of being fucking matte, and let's see how it goes. All right, guys, adding some blush just to kind of warm with the face. I don't really want to wear so much color everywhere, so we're just gonna keep it very minimal because we want all the focus to the eyes. All right, you guys, we're gonna pull out some of my favorite lashes. This is Baddie B. Baddie B in the hashtag saucy. Sauce. I can't even say the word fucking saucy. Okay, so pulling this out, I feel like for this look, because it's such a liner effect and there's a lot of white, so we really want to showcase some nice lashes. Also, I'm gonna combine Mama Mitchell bottom lashes on the bottom because I feel like this would really give it like that nice little doll look. Lashes are on. I had to do it off camera because I was going fucking crazy. I don't know what is going on with the universe today, but like, damn, bitch, these lashes were so hard to put on. But you guys, I got it on and I am absolutely so in love with this eye. I'm just gonna quickly take some mascara. I already put on some highlight from Jeffree Star. So we are ready for a gorgeous lip. I think we're gonna go very bright. The eyes are blown out. It's soft, it's rainbowy, it's like a little touch of neon. I have the highlight going on. I'm gonna go ahead and mix a little bit of House Laboratories. Now these are the Le Monster lip crayon, and this one is called Miami Tango, and it's like an orange. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one of my colors that I used to use back in the day. This is an Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this color is called Spicy. It's a super orange, and I'm just feeling very orange vibe, so hopefully this works out. So I'm gonna take the Le Monster lip crayon just like so. Wow, I actually should wear orange more often. Okay, so once it's fully lined and you like literally are satisfied with the shade, that's when I usually go back and I fill in, just like that. And honestly, I've worn these shades out all night before, and literally they are so comfortable to wear. I will have to say the Anastasia liquid lipsticks are very uncomfortable to wear. I feel like when I wear these, my lips are very dry. Oh wow, that is so pretty. I am officially gagged. So let's just go ahead and see the final look. I'll be right back. Okay, bitch, honey. Okay, so I didn't know what hair to pull out, and I was like dying to wear this black wig for something. Yeah, this is definitely a look you guys probably haven't seen yet. But in the meantime, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for playing with a little bit of Colourpop Cosmetics, a little Poppi Cosmetics. Honestly, like, I am super excited about this palette. Actually, I really want to do another look with the pinks and purples because that was like super bomb. Shout out to Nikki. Congratulations on your first palette. I'm so excited for you. Like, literally, you're doing something that I would love to do very soon. I hope the best for your cosmetic brand, and I can't wait to see what else you have in the future. So you guys, go ahead and check out Poppi Cosmetics on Instagram right now. In the meantime, I want to see y'all again. Click that subscribe button, bitch. We're almost at 50K. We're almost there. I will see you guys in a few days.